Good morning, dear friends. Today we discuss about general agriculture. The headquarters of WTA is situated at Geneva, Switzerland. Permanent building point is occurred at 15 bar. BP Pal is the variety of rose. The Arca series of variety are released from IHR Bangalore, Karnataka. Correlation coefficient range between -1 to +1. India's share in fruit production in the world is near about 13%. Measurement of sunlight intensity is expressed in lux unit. Pineapple is an example of cam plants. Scientific name of Berseem is Trifolium alexandrinum, Egypt. Nutrient mobility concept was proposed by Bray. Scientific name of oat is Abnus tiva. In waterlogged condition found is abundant is methane. Curing process is related to the crop tobacco. The book Nature and Properties of Soil is written by Ansi Brady. Chemical used for delinting of cotton is H2SO4. Maximum nitrogen loss in rice crop is due to denitrification. Seed Act was passed in the year 1966 but came into force 1968. The term Green Revolution was coined by William Gord. RBI was established in the year 1 April 1935. The element having role in disease and drought resistant potassium. Regur soil refers to the black soil. Which biofertilizer is more suitable for sugarcane azotobacter? Phyllodes disease in till is caused by mycoplasma. Itawa pilot project was started by Albert Mayer. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was started in 1989. IBLP stand for 1995. The nursery area required for seedling of rice of 1 hectare is 0.10 hectare or 1000 meter square. Whose test is detecting to bacteria. Mango malformation resistant variety is Elaichi and Alib. Largest importer of cut flower in the world is Germany. The nutrient involved in reproduction of plant is boron. Pahela blight of sugarcane is due to deficiency of manganese. Which element is the most important constituent of methionine and cysteine? Sulfur. Lychee is propagated by air layering or Guti method. Pectin rich fruit is guava. Anti-sterility vitamin is vitamin E. Each virion consists of nucleic acid core or protein is known as capsid. Mycology is the systematic study of fungus. Pathogen of Xanthomonas comes in the environment in the form of ooze. Mycorrhiza is the symbiotic association of roots and fungus of our plant. Father of microbiology is the Louis Pasteur. Breakdown of protein is saprophytically by bacteria. It is known as putrefaction. Mushroom is the basidiocarp. Phaelia is related to which crop? Rice. Order of mushroom is Agaricales. Main cylindrical component of TMB is RNA. Capsid made by which unit? Capsomeres. In which bacteria reproduction phase virus is involved? Transduction. How much time is needed for the sterilization in autoclave? 15 minutes. Crida is located at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. White revolution was accomplished by which scientist? Burgess Kurian. V-shaped pattern of yellowing leaves is due to nitrogen deficiency. Global warming is caused due to greenhouse effect. Which type of water is most useful for the plant? Capillary water. 1/3 to 31st bars. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.